Hello and welcome back to another fishing video. I'm going to be putting on my sunglasses. It's very shiny out, but yeah, thanks for joining me. I'm in a new spot, obviously, as you can tell. Well, maybe it's not obvious, I don't know. I'm on an island. It's the island we walked to during the winter, and it had the Hungarian monument on it. And that whale statue on it too. Well, it wasn't a whale. Well, kind of. It was like an abstract whale. And, well, there's no ant, we just walked here. That's where I am. And I like it so much better because there's no people walking by. I'm on my own. There wasn't a soul on this island when I walked on, which is nice. It's like to fish on your own. Especially when you're talking to a camera on your own. I felt a bit bonkers when I was over there with the path pretty close to me. And the spot's just so much nicer. I'm sitting down in the dirt, in the grass. I got a little rocky shoreline. And you can hear the waves, lapping up against the shore. It's very nice. It's also very warm out today, too. I took off my sweater. It's a little too hot. Well, no, not with that breeze. Also, okay, hold on. Let me reel in and then fix the. Hold on. Let me reel in first. Okay, let me fix the tripod. Well, no, it's fine, I guess. Let me see if I can balance you better. That might be worse. I don't know. Yeah, you're duct tape onto a stick right now. This little camera. It's kind of my best option. I just stuck a stick into the ground and duct taped the camera on. I'd show you, but you're duct taped to a stick, so. Yeah, that's the rig for today. No rock, unlike last time. I also like being closer to the water. I was, I showed you, super far away, but if I reach my foot out, I can touch it right now, which is nice. And just hearing the water. You could at the last spot, but I'm right next to it. It's so peaceful and calm. It's so. Whoa! Oh! I got stuck in a tree. Oh no! Oh man! I don't know what just happened, but that was horrendous. Okay, I'm gonna have to go on a rescue mission. Yep. It is. Can you see where it's stuck? Wait, hold on. Yeah, you can. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Smash that like button if I should be ashamed of myself. I don't know how that happened. Oh, he's tangled good. Maybe not that good. Oh, okay. That's my first catch of the day. I caught a tree. I thought I got it stuck in the tree again. Oh my gosh, I was gonna say. Oh no, I bent the twig. There's a twig here. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. I kind of sat on it a little bit. Or did I? I don't know. Okay. So let's not do that again. And, oh yeah, I'm out of frame. Let me move I got a little blanket up here with me. Did the camera move? Am I crazy or? Okay, let's just go a bit forward. Okay. I don't even know where I was. Hold on, the lure's weird. The hook's got okay, there we go. I don't know where I was, but you know, that's okay. Sometimes you gotta lose a train of thought or two. Can you see in the camera there's like a paddler? I hope it doesn't paddle too close. I'm talking to myself, I'm crazy over here. He's got a dog in the canoe, can you see that? Yeah, something's wonky up there. Hold on, I gotta check the lure. Lure check. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Got stuck in like the hook spot, and oh, also he's going around the other side, so I'm saved. I don't have to like awkwardly, I don't know, sit here for a second, just fishing. I hope he scares the fish over here. That'd be nice. Oh, I got caught in the knot. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let me see if I can cast overhead. Oh, geez, this is gonna be risky. Hold on. I can't have too much slack. Oh, jeez, this is rough. Ugh, that was horrible. Okay, I'm never doing that again. I don't know what I was like caught on. What? Okay, I gotta check this out. Something happened. That was a terrible idea. Oh, my line got stuck in the twig. Okay. Oh wow, okay, like looped around itself. Okay, that would not have been the best if I tried to cast. A good thing I checked it out. Okay, enough fish talk. I got some good news, some really good news. So that GDD that I was working on, or that I made, sent it in for review. You know, I've never made a GDD before. I made it in one night. Absolutely scraped that thing together. Stayed up all night just working on it, and they said they'd review it in 2 weeks. It's been like 4 days, and they got back to me and said that it was incredible. It got approved immediately. First draft, which was super surprising. He loved it. Loved the art style, loved the themes. Just thought it was super good, which man, what a surprise. Told my artist and she was really happy too. So, that being said, hold on, let me reel in and then cast before I ramble again. That being said, game development officially starts. So I have 10 weeks starting today. I forget what date that was. July something, I think. I don't remember. 17th? I don't know. I'm just yanking that out of thin air. But so I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be very fun. Artist is excited too, and I'll get to request more music from my musician too, which will be fun. I always liked requesting music and getting that made. It was always a cool process, and that'll be fun. That'll be a lot of fun. So that's starting officially. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh my. Okay, hold on. Okay, emergency mode. What? Oh, I'm tangled. What is going on? What? Oh my gosh, I don't know what I did. What? Okay, I'm not gonna have very good commentary for a few minutes as I try and fix this mayhem. Okay, I think I almost got it. Oh, okay, I fixed it. I don't know what... Yeah, I'm a bit rusty when it comes to fishing. Not that I was ever that good, but... Also, the one thing about this spot is it's a bit awkward to fish from. Oh, hold on. For some reason, it's a bit... Oh, maybe I was just dragging or something. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this spot's a bit awkward to cast from. But besides that, like, grade A location. There's people there. Oh my. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the quiet fishing segment. Oh, they're leaving. Oh, they're leaving. Okay. Whew. Where was I? I don't think I was anywhere. I'm just fishing, you know, enjoying the views. I forgot to extend it. I forgot you can extend it. Whoop. It's not much, but hey, it's something. I'll take it. Oh my. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but hold on. My lure's weird at the end. It got like tangled. If you jiggle it enough, sometimes it'll fix itself. Or sometimes you just waste your time. Come on. Come on, come on. That's so annoying. That's why I don't like these hooks. Okay. There we go. Alright, we're back in action. In case you notice me getting quiet, that's why. Yeah, he paddled right next to me. I didn't even see him, he came out of nowhere. Let me try going the other way. Dog in his canoe is cute though. He looks like a real one. My lure is spinning a funny way. It keeps getting tangled. I do not like these lures. Like, sure, once a fish gets caught, like they're done, but I don't even like that either because it's hard to get them off the hook. I might honestly switch lures. This one keeps tangling, and if I catch a fish, I'm gonna have a rough time trying to get it off. I heard a great quote from a video I was watching. I'll take a moment to try and remember it fully. The quote was something along the lines of, aspire to be a cloud. Because clouds don't make mistakes. Have you ever seen a misshapen cloud? Or a wave that didn't look right? And I love that quote so much. It's so interesting. You know, thinking about those things, of course a cloud can't make a mistake. It just is. My analogy or my quote would be better if there's actually a cloud in the sky, but I've never seen fewer clouds in the sky than this. There's like an ATV there. I was hoping to keep talking about the quote, but I don't know what's going on. I'll keep talking about it in a second. I don't know what the heck that was. But, yeah, the quote. You first hear it and it's like, aspire to be a cloud. Why would you want to be a cloud? But it's I just love it. It's saying that you can't do any fault, being a part of nature, you can't make mistakes, you can't do any fault because you are what you are. It's like a cloud, Imagine a cloud that felt self-conscious about itself because it was too fluffy or too wide or too tall or too long or something. And how silly that would be, like looking up at that cloud, knowing it thought that. When there's never been a day you've looked at a cloud in the sky and thought one of them looked wrong or incorrect or... Because they can't. Same with a wave or a tree or... And it's funny thinking about that, we're a part of nature too. We're just like a wave or cloud or tree or... And, we make those molds to fit in that... we did something wrong or... I just like that. To try and be like a cloud. To accept what you are and know that you can't make any mistakes because, you are what you are. I really like it. I like it a lot. Now, if there ever comes a day that I look at a cloud and think it's misshapen, that whole quote goes down the drain. That hasn't happened yet. I just realized you can see Parliament from here. I don't know if you can in the video, but maybe I'll take you on a tour once I'm finished. Oh geez, I made a mess of this. Once I'm finished fishing, take you off the stick and maybe show you around. The heck? Oh no, there's something wacky. Okay, yeah, I gotta fix this. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know what happened. What the heck? genuinely have no idea. Okay, I finally, like, there's like a weird knot in the, I don't even know. Okay, let me try reeling in. That was so weird. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. My right as I talked about how you can't make any mistakes, here I am. Jeez, man. Homie's just trying to fish. Oh my, there's like the biggest clog in this. Oh, no, I'm crazy. Okay, let me try and like, I don't even know. Gotta try and like reel it back all in tightly so that no issue. I gotta tighten it. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's getting caught everywhere. How much? Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna do one more cast and then I'll call it an evening. I gotta go back and make dinner. Well, I already have made it before I left. And now I'm just gonna go back, warm it up and eat it. Chana masala. Same old, same old. And I still love it. I kinda wanna do one more cast without the tangle, but you know what? It is what it is. And that's okay. Alright. Time to pack it up. But I'm not done. Last time I had some cookies to eat, but I ran out of cookies, so today I packed some crackers. Nothing special, just generic crackers. I used to have them when I drank tea and read. I want to do that again. I haven't done that in a while. I finished my book, and then after that I don't know. Don't really have a good reason. Okay, I'm gonna take the lure off and call it a wrap. Well, you need cookie time. Well, cracker time. Sorry, I'm concentrating on this lure. If I don't, I could end up with a fish hook in me. Okay, geez, why is this so difficult? I am struggling right now. Okay, I've almost got it, I swear. There. And we put it back in. Okay, and there we go. Look how compact that is. You can even take this part off, like everything. Okay, now it's picnic time. Nothing fancy, just little biscuits. Yeah, I gotta show you Parliament before I take the stick off, or camera off the stick. It's a pretty good stick. The flags are at half-mast. Something happened? I just noticed that now. Sorry I'm not rambling very much. It's that time of the video where I just kind of enjoy the water, because it ain't easy commentating the whole time, especially when you're fishing. But, you know, I also came out here to look at the water. And eat these biscuits. I rewatched the other video. Well, not all of it, but a little bit. And it was hard to hear me sometimes. It's much less windy today, so I hope it's better, easier. Yeah. Also, I think the camera's a little bit more facing towards me. You got my backboard before, but I don't know what it's trying to do there, but hold on. Okay, if I do that, yeah, I think that's better. I don't know how that helped me imagine it, but it did. I gotta go on more picnics. You know that? More than just a cracker. I was tempted to pack up dinner and just bring it out here. I should have done that. I really should have. But hey, you know, maybe next time. I'll try and not make this video longer than 30 minutes, so I don't know, in 30 seconds I'll take you on that tour. Well, maybe that's a minute. At 29 minutes, I'll take you on that tour. I swear. Did you see that bird fly by? That was a good one. I wonder why they tore that bridge down. Oh, it's 29 minutes. I still got half a cracker. Let me finish it first. Oh yeah, you can see like the ruins. I think that's it. It's hard to see in the phone. Okay. So I'd like rip the whole stick up. Here, let me see if I can get the stick in the ground. Hang on. I had to stick like that. You can see like the duct tape where it's attached to the phone.